Are you in a mood to try something caramel flavor and that also desi? Then you have to try this Makhandi Halwa. Let's make Makhandi Halwa. Add half a cup Sooji, half a cup of milk. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Add ghee, 1/4 cup and half a cup of brown sugar. Let it caramelize. Add Sooji milk mixture. Now cook until it gives halwa look. Add milk as needed. Add cardamoms and saffron. Once halwa looks smooth, put it in a bowl. Add almonds. I'm holding it very secure so that no one can take this away from me. But if you would like to try this halwa at home, then you have to go to my website www.kitchenpunjabi.com in the blog section and get the recipe. Let me know in comments, what do you think about this halwa when you make this at home? Does it remind you of your dadima or anyone that was so close to you? And that is why my book is all about the recipes that we are losing and the memories of all our elders. So that is what my book is out. The book is going to be out soon. So I made this Makhandi Halwa today, and guess what? I was thinking about my friend's dadima moons ago who actually got this halwa at work, and it was to die for. I continued asking her for a recipe, but I never got into the recipe. And today when I made this halwa, it just reminded me of her. So make sure you try this halwa, as I am going to try here for you. I think I'm going to finish this bowl with a nice cup of chai while you will try this at home.